have 2 thumbs up. It's going to be one hot match, folks. Drivers, hands off the controllers in 3, 2, 1, go!
Robots springing into action here in match number 67. All these robots looking on quickly scoring. Red Alliance scoring quickly coming in from 22-297. Infinibots from California going 1 for 3 on that most recent volley, though. Across the field from them, 25-656 Pioneer Robotics out of Iowa. Hauling back some more artifacts. 1-2 do go in. Both of them cycling quickly from that gate. Recycling artifacts back through. Getting 3 or even 4 scores off of 1 artifact sometimes. 2 seconds left to go. Some final shots go up for blue.
Drivers, pick up your controllers. Three, 2, 1.
Blue Alliance taking a lead of 57-48. Now moving into the teleoperated period. First scores going up come off of Infinibots, that Californian team. Quickly cycling for the Red Alliance. Their partners out of Michigan, 22-918 Girlbots. They've got the bright pink robot now in that close, far launch zone, possibly trying to get in the way of Organized Chaos out of North Carolina. Organized Chaos carrying some more artifacts now to that far launch zone. One goes up, possibly went a little bit wide. They shoot another. It does bounce back to the field, though. Still got a minute 27 left to work on some of that alignment to keep on locking in this match. Looking at some of the traffic control here, you can see 22-297. That's Infinibots. Looking to load up on some more artifacts, flying back in. Their partner's right behind them. That's Girlbots, staying kind of in that middle-ish zone for now. We'll see how they opt to prioritize their strategy this match as we move on into the final minute of a match play with a score 137-121 on the board. Blue Alliance seeming to stick to a 1 close, 1 far strategy. You can see Pioneer Robotics with the bright green highlights on their robot. Now heading back to that loading zone, for which is absolutely stuffed with artifacts. Clearing out the gate to make some space, and now scooting around back towards the launch zone. Opting to go back, though, and try to load up some more artifacts. We'll see how this Blue Alliance opts to prioritize their strategy as Red does close in, getting very close, but Blue pulling back away with 30 seconds left to go. We will see how this match goes. It really could go either way. We'll just have to see how it shakes out here on the Jones Division. $180-174, but now $183-183. It is tied as we get ready for endgame and we roll on through. Looks like Red Alliance may already be trying to prioritize this, as Girlbots on the Red Alliance already lined up for what could be a full park if their wheels are properly aligned. Their alliance partners, Infinibots, lining up as well for it as
57. The Red Alliance will take the victory by a score of 225-209. Only 3 ranking points earned will move the number 3 seed down to number 4, but upward motion for Girlbots going up from 46th to 43rd.